The Poly Studio X family camera can be controlled manually or with automatic framing technology. Here we'll show you these functions in Poly Video mode. To control the camera manually, select Camera, then Camera Controls. On the TC8 or with the remote control. Use the directional arrows for pan and tilt. Use plus and minus to zoom in and out. Because the Studio X family camera is digital, the camera needs to be zoomed in before pan and tilt are available. You can select from available presets or create your own. To automatically frame the room, activate camera tracking by toggling the switch. Additional controls, including the speed at which the camera moves, can be found in the admin area of the web interface. To learn how to operate these commands when in other video app modes, please see the product documentation.